Hello everyone. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to install Red Hat Linux Ren 9 on VM Fusion. First step, we need to install the ISO file for the Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and we can install it from the Red Hat developer website. As we can see here, we can download it at no cost. We need to create an account, a login, and after that we can download the ISO file. A second step, you need to install the VM Fusion. If you have MacBook Pro, so you can install this software. This software is not for free, so you have to pay for it. There is another option here, the VirtualBox, and it's for free. You can download the software or the package. It depends on the operating system that you have. But for this demo, we're going to use the VM Fusion. Okay, I already downloaded the VM Fusion and even the ISO file here 9, so the Ren 9. So I'm going to drag and drop the image here. So here is the image. Continue. Then after that you pick Linux and you go to you can choose the type of the operating system. So I'm going to choose, here's the closest one, so Linux 8. But this is like a name, it doesn't matter. We care about the ISO image here. So we go next. Then you can customize settings, and as you can see over here, we can change the name. So I'm going to change it to RHCSA. Then I'm going to hit save, and here the settings that we would like to if we would like to change it for the operating system. So I like to change the memory. It's up to you. You can have it 2 gigs. So I think 2 gig is good for now. We can increase it later on if you would like. Show all, and the hard disk here we have 20, so I'm going to increase it to 40. Okay, so I'm going to increase it to 40 here. Apply. Okay, good. So we have right now the disk 40. So now we'll show all. There is one thing I want to show you here. You can, if you would like, the settings here, you can add another disk or another device here. Like if this, we have so far we have only one disk. You can add another one if you would like. Show all. The network adapter, just want to double check. So auto deduct, I'll say auto deduct is really good, so it will deduct from the system here. Okay, that's good. So now show all. Okay, so far so good. I think I'm good to go, so I can close this one, and then I'm gonna start the operating system right now, and it will ask us here, for example, what do you want? Do you want to install the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9, or you want to test it? So I'm going to choose the first one. It will give us right now, after is going to run, as you can see here, it's gonna give us like the main page how we can install the Red Hat. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes to run and check everything, if everything is good and good to go. So just we have to make sure that we have the correct image. So we have the correct image, the Ren 9. So checking everything, if everything is okay, then it will show us the installation page and how we can install the Red Hat there. Okay, now I'm sure that is going to show us the installation page. I can maximize it a little bit so you guys can see it. Okay, So as we can see right now, we have to pick the language. So I'm going to pick English, and over here just I'm gonna go down to pick the United States. There's an option here. Yep, I'm gonna choose this, the first one, United States English. So continue. So next step, and we have to pay attention to this right now here, what exactly we need to do for the settings. So for the installation destination here, I'm going to click this one, and then make sure that you're gonna click on this one. So we'll click on this hard disk because we want to install the Red Hat on this one. And next I'm going to click done. Okay, now the next one, I need to go connect to the Red Hat. No, we don't have to do this step for now. So I can go a little bit down here, and I want to make sure that we have the networking here and everything is looking good. I can call this one, I can call it Ren 9. Okay, then after that we'll hit apply. So just make sure that the Ethernet is connected and it's on. Apply. And next I'm going to click here, done. And now the software here, just make sure to pick this one. So software with GUI, so graphical user interface, this is what we are looking for. Next here, if you'd like to network file system, I think for now I'm not gonna pick anything. Just leave it the default. Probably maybe I'm gonna pick the first for the DNS name service or FTP, maybe guest agent. Yeah, probably guest agent. And I'm gonna see here the network services. I'll click this one here. I think that's it for now. If you want the RM, yeah, this one is good also to pick, and the system tools also. Okay, next I'm going to hit done. Okay, so installation, networking, installation. Now we need to type the user password. So lock this account. No, I'm not gonna lock it. So you can put the password that you want. I'm gonna choose like a short password because this is like a demo purpose, so I don't care about the password here. Okay, then done. Then you're gonna go down here, or maybe if you press on this one, because there's an issue with this image, I'm going to hit tab. If you hit the tab, it will go to this page to create a username. So I'm going to type student here. Okay, then make this as a system administrator. Then I'm going to type the password. And hit tab also. Then after that, next I'm going to hit done twice. Okay, I think we are good to go right now. So I'm going to hit begin installation, and this step, it might take maybe from 10 to 15 minutes, it depends. But you know what, I'm going to pause the video for now, and after the installation is done, I'm going to come back again. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Hello, I'm back. So as we can see here, so the Red Hat Enterprise Linux is now successfully installed and ready for you to use. So we need to reboot the system, so I'm going to hit reboot.